Hi all. Day before yesterday I had a real bit of luck. So that should get me a few thumbs down, that's for sure. Yeah, I'll let you make what you will of that, but some of you will know what I'm on about. Anyway, I picked up this absolutely cracking little folding bike. It's Ameco. Not necessarily top of the range, but it's an old one. It's been well made. And I spent an entire morning getting it to look like this. It didn't look like this when I got it, although it was in pretty good condition, but there was bits of rust on the chrome and so forth. But I managed to clean it all up, and well, you can see the quality of it. I'm absolutely over the moon with it. And it's got Shimiko, and can't pronounce it, Shimano gear change, nice hub arranged gear change, and it's got a back pedal braking system, which is really efficient. And I actually like the ride of this more than the rally that I've recently had, so I'm going to keep this one, especially as that I've put nearly a day's work into it, and you can see that it's more old hat, and I'm quite happy with the more old hat stuff. It's a lot more heavy, being steel, but I just like it. So no more to be said, is there? So I advertised the rally, and it went within 2 hours, and so I got my money back on that. And this one I got for free, plus a day's bit of work. So I'll use it for the same purpose as the previous little folding bike, as a little go round the village shopper. I've got a basket which someone threw out that a little wicker basket that will fit on the back carrier. And if you look closely, you'll see I've made my little hitch that I took off the other bike. Let's see if I can get rid of this. There you go, that's my designed hitch. I used an existing hole for the piece that goes horizontally, and then the little set screw on the top was just to increase the thickness piece of stainless steel. And as you can see by the coupling, the trolley just drops over the top, but it's quite clever in that it only just goes over. And no matter if I go over rough ground, it's never come undone. And if it tends to jump up on that odd occasion, it hits the crossbar above. And on braking, it goes into the V section ahead of it, so staying inside its captive arrangement. So I've never need to put a safety chain on it. I did have to alter the height of the tow bar on my little trailer. Let's get rid of this one. And as you can see now, that's an ideal height for this little setup. So all in all, I'm really chuffed with this. Anyway, I thought I'd show you, even if it does get up the nose of one or two. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.